In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a group on monday.com. Whether you're cleaning up your workspace or just need to remove an unused group, follow along as we walk through the steps. First, you'll need to log into your monday.com account. Once you've logged in, navigate to the board containing the group that you would like to delete. This could be any board, such as marketing tasks, client management, or perhaps projects, whichever applies to you. Once you're on the correct board, scroll through and locate the group that you wish to delete. You'll see the group as a colored header with all its items, these are the rows, listed right beneath it. The next step is to open the group menu. To do this, hover your mouse over the group name. You should see a three-dot icon, often referred to as the ellipsis, just to the right of the group title. Click on this icon to pull down a menu with a variety of options. On this drop-down menu, you'll want to find and click Delete. Sometimes it may be listed as Delete Group or Delete this group. As soon as you select this, a confirmation pop-up will show up, prompting you to confirm your action with the message, "Are you sure you want to delete this group? This action cannot be undone." After reviewing this, click Delete to finalize. A crucial point to remember is that deleting a group will also erase all the items within it. This is why it is important to back up or move any significant data if necessary. If there are items you'd like to retain, you should handle this before deleting the group. You can do this easily by selecting the items you want to preserve. Hold down the Shift key or Control to select multiple items, and then move them to a different group by clicking on Move to Group and selecting the new destination. After relocating the item safely, you can go back and delete the original group. In instances where you might accidentally delete a group, there is a way to recover it. You need to access your recycle bin by clicking on your profile picture and selecting Recycle Bin from the options. In the recycle bin, find the deleted group or board item you wish to restore and simply click Restore. Please keep in mind that deleted groups are recoverable within 30 days, though this time frame might vary depending on your plan and permissions. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage your workspace on monday.com, ensuring that it remains organized and clutter-free. Feel free to revisit this guide whenever you need a refresher on handling groups.